Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a haul. And I'll be honest with you, I know a lot of it is animal related. I have found that some of the items, oh, see, here's doll stuff right away now. Some of the items that I can find in the pet stores are also on AliExpress. There's a little tip for you, and I found them much cheaper there. These are little dresses that are for the Blythe. Where is the opening? I can never find these openings. For the Blythe Advent calendars, or countdown, Christmas countdown is what we're calling them, because mine are a little different. I cannot find, you know what, I'm going to cut this in a minute and move on. Oh, here we go. I'm taking 5 Blythe dolls and making an Advent type calendar. We're calling it Christmas Countdown. And each one has a different theme. These are for that. As you can see, they are different colors. Each one of the Blythe group or Blythe calendar will be different theme. The items will be similar, but they will be different. Okay, I know this is animal related. Yeah, I'm getting a guinea pig, and we have goats. So I got those. I used to own all those books.
I recognize those books.
I had the biggest library of animal books, and when we moved, I gave so many of them away. I just did. I gave, oh, this is doll related. This is very cool. I forgot these were coming. I've been looking at these Tie Heart Beanie Kids. They're very cute. And I want to put up a Christmas display this year using these. Yeah, they smell okay. How cute are these two? An elf and a Santa. Now their little hats are missing, and I knew that, and I'm kind of okay with it. This is actually...
I know a girl who can make Santa hats.
Yeah, that's what I thought. This is actually... Well, that's twisted somehow. Oh, I see. This is actually his beard.
Oh, how cute.
How cute is that? Okay, so let's put these away till next Christmas. I don't think I'll need the box. This is going to be something for me to wear. I thought it was. Oh, more doll stuff, I bet. Oh, this is not what I thought it was. Okay, well, let me check the bag. Always double check your bags. Sometimes those little bags are put in there, and a couple times I've started carrying stuff out and looked, and son of a gun, there's more in there. This is a rabbit toy. I have rabbits now. Our farm is actually becoming a farm. We are on 10 acres with farmers' fields all around us. How cute is this? This was just a couple dollars, and that'd be fun for the rabbits. And no, it would take a lot for them to swallow that ball if they ever got there. Rabbits have small, how do you say it?
Esophagus.
Yeah, so no, I'm not concerned about that. My rabbits have had toys through the years. I have had rabbits many times in my life for a lot of years. Used to breed and show and train. I have a website at rabbitagility.com. Train them to do agility. How cute is this? Oh, wow. Oh, it smells good. Oh, that smells really good. It smells like fresh hay. Isn't that cute? It's a little grass house for a guinea pig or a rabbit. Oh, I like that. What did I pay for that? $12 or $14. I can't remember. This is really heavy. Oh, I know what this is.
They need a little palm tree to go with that.
Yeah. It is cute, isn't it? Like a little hut, you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is for my rabbits. For my rabbits are pedigreed, and they'll need that. Let's see what's in here. Oh, another rabbit toy. And this is for the Blythe countdown calorie. Boy, I can't talk today. Countdown calendars for Christmas. Oh, see. So these are really cute. Like I said, all 5, one will be mine. I will be opening on my own channel. They'll be similar, but everyone is different. And the ones that we're going to sell, I think I can't remember. I think we're only selling, we're going to do a giveaway on our channel for one. And I think we're going to have 1 or 2 for sale. Oh, that's cute. You hang that in your rabbit cage and it gives the rabbits something to do. And that's applewood. So that is, oh, that is cute. Okay. Yeah, rabbits like toys. And Darren rolls his eyes because I'm always buying somebody a toy or a treat or... And I've got him, he does the grocery shopping while I go, you know, to the doll aisles and craft aisles in Walmart. And I always have him put on his list like yogurt-covered raisins for my rabbits. What was it the other day I asked you to
Dried
get?
bananas.
Dried bananas, dehydrated bananas. Doesn't stink. This has a purpose. And, well, 2 purposes. I had carpal tunnel in my wrist, and I'm a natural girl. I am not an anti-vaxxer or anti-medical. I'm not, but only when necessary. I found this by accident, that if my hand slept, you know, choking this to death, not only is it a good stress reliever, that keeps my wrist straight, and I have healed my wrist naturally by sleeping with these.
And better the bear than me.
Yeah.
Getting choked.
Yeah. And I have, what do I have? Like 6 or 8 bears next to my pillow so that if in the night, you know, I drop one, which of course I do, I just reach up on my pillow and get another and fall back asleep. And I have not had wrist trouble. You know, when we were in Wisconsin, we did haying and firewood, and my wrist
And
took
milking.
And my wrist took a beating. I mean, a beating. And that's how I cured it. And I was able to continue all of that because I did it that way. So, oh, look what we got. Replacement boots. Very, very cool. I'm not so sure they didn't send an extra one. Well, they should, because I buy enough. We used these at last weekend's Winterfest to add ice skating blades to the bottom and for a photo contest. So I had sent some as gifts in the goodie boxes, so I needed to replace those.
Random extras.
Random extras, yeah. We sent a lot of extras in our goodie bags. Oh, good. I want to get this tried on. Let me check that bag. Nope. This is for me because it's true and it's cute. We got a goat for our horse because he was alone because the old mare died, and so we got 2 goats for him, and then, well, this is
2 more.
This is it. Wow, this is a lot thicker than you can buy in the stores. I'm going to go buy more of these just because it's a nice thick sweatshirt. Anymore, sweatshirts are like t-shirts. I get so angry about it. Charge me, but give me the good fabric. Isn't that cute? That is for me to wear to the next auction we go to. We like to go to the auction and watch the animals go around. Okay, these are ice skates. I had bought some of this, and I'm still experimenting with them. I don't think they're going to work for the Countdown Christmas Blythe dolls. I love a doll on skates. Aren't those the cutest? Oh. Barbie, though, very cute. Oh, here's a box. You know what? I ordered a doll, not a small one. I don't know what this is. Probably something fabric. You know, they've done that before. What is this? Oh, I did order this doll. Yes, I did. Okay, I haven't bought one of these in a good while. This is a miniature Blythe. We actually do face-ups on this. Darren and I came up with a way for these minis to have a double pull string that opens and closes their eyes. That's what their eyes do. You know, every Blythe does something. And there's open. I can't get the hair out of it.
Normally sleepy eyes.
Yeah, sleepy eyes. And Darren and I came up with a way we opened up the head and did custom on the face. And then we added 2 pieces of string, actually. What would you call that?
Pull strings.
Yeah. But what is the...
Wasn't it like a...
Cord, like a cord, yeah.
I think it's like a furniture or upholstery thread or something like that.
Yeah,
That's what we use.
and they turned out real cute. This little girl has a purpose, And she's really cute. Look, a little balloon. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.